Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Belle and Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, this is for the Princess Belle look, guys. And then I'm going to show you all the items you need to put on to create this outfit. And to make the tutorial faster, I'm just going to immediately show you what you need to create this Princess Belle outfit. Oops, sorry. Okay, start from the hair. You can choose this hairstyle and make it this color. You're going to select this to go back and remove all the flowers and then combine it with this one. But you can choose only bangs and then make it this color. Okay, and you can put on this item to create this scrunchie. Okay, you can make it this color and you're going to do this adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Alright, and then for the hairstyle, guys, you're going to choose this one as well, make it the same color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this granny dress, but you can choose top only and make it this yellow color. And then for the material, you're going to make it glitter, combine it with this dress from the world culture update. You can choose only skirt and then make it this color, and again make it glitter. And then this skirt, make it the same yellow color. And then for the material, you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then put on this skirt. You can make it this color and then make it glitter. And then put on this earring, this one, guys. Make it yellow, and then this gloves. Remove the fur. And then you're going to make it this yellow color. Okay, and what else? Okay, I think I have already mentioned all the items. Oops, sorry, for the heels, you can choose this one. And then for the color, you're going to make it yellow. Okay, and after you put on all these items, you will get this Princess Belle's look and Dress to Impress. Okay. This look doesn't need a lot of items, guys, and it will save your time in Dress to Impress to dress up. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.